Alright, so now he's gonna go do it. He's gonna fucking blow the horn right now to them, and then he's gonna fucking hide. Hey, you look like a black vato. Come closer. Not black, but hey, homie. Okay. Alright, go, hurry up. Ahí va. Mira el menso. Okay. Ya sé, güey, vete a la verga. Just kidding. Okay, it's gonna be loud as fuck. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if they come out. Will they come out? Or will they just stay in the fucking room? They're not gonna come out. I think they're coming. I hear something. Really?
Enlist at thetruth.com. I'm all about living joyfully.
Really?
The new United Explorer card hooks
They sure are taking their sweet time, aren't they?
for getting away, traveling lighter, getting settled, rewarded.
Learn more at theexplorercard.com.
Hello? What are you doing? Suspect! You guys took forever! He got you good!
I was calling fucking Kenny to come back me up.
Kenny's like, hell no! Yay! Dun 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 dun.
First off, when you first initially blew that shit, my heart started beating. I was like, Kenny jumped too. I wish I had that on fucking.
I was shaking.
What?
That was a good one, huh? See?
Kenny, like, what, you're just asking for it. Don't go out there.
I said, I feel like
Kenny's a whip. I told you.
Jesse was like, come on, man, come on.
Kenny left you for dead.
See?
Kenny left him for dead, babe. Hey, that was a good one. You got him, babe. You got him. Oh my God, really?
The air horn.
You guys got me.
That was the air horn prank.
Fuck, you guys got me good, yo.
That's what's up. Yes, we did. All right.
Hey, go subscribe to my channel, J-Bolt TV.
Yo,
Subscribe to me.
yup, he got fucking skirt.
Yeah, he got me good, yo.
Yup, Travieso got him good. And that's what's up, and that's what happens on the day of the life of Loca and Travieso. Deuces.